If you're seeing a ChatGPT error 404, don't worry. In most cases, it's a quick fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to get back into ChatGPT fast. We'll go step by step through the most common solutions, starting with the easiest one first, so you can save time and avoid unnecessary troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the fastest fix. Refresh the page. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R at the same time. A lot of times, a 404 error is just a temporary loading issue, and refreshing the page is enough to reload the chat properly. If that doesn't work, wait a few seconds and try again once more, especially if your internet connection is a little unstable. Next, make sure you're opening ChatGPT from the official homepage. Sometimes an old or saved link to a specific chat can stop working, especially if the conversation was moved, deleted, or the URL is outdated. Go to the ChatGPT homepage directly, then open your chat from the sidebar instead of using an old bookmark or old message link. The key thing to remember here is avoid using old links. If the error still appears, check that you're signed into the correct account. This is a very common issue, especially if you have more than one email address or multiple OpenAI accounts. If the chat belongs to another account, log out completely, then log back in using the correct email address. Once you're in the right account, try opening the chat again and see if the 404 error is gone. Another simple fix is to log out and log back in again, even if you think you're already on the correct account. This can reset your session and clear out any temporary login issue causing the problem. After logging out, close the browser tab completely, reopen ChatGPT, and sign in again from scratch. This often solves problems related to session timeouts or broken authentication. If the chat itself is missing, the next step is to start a new chat. Sometimes the old conversation may no longer be available, or the link may no longer point to an active thread. In that case, just click to create a new chat and continue from there. If you were trying to find a previous conversation, it may have been removed or no longer accessible, so starting fresh is often the quickest workaround. And if none of those fixes work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, then look for privacy or privacy and security. From there, choose clear browsing data. Make sure to clear cached images and files, and if needed, clear cookies too. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with ChatGPT loading correctly, and clearing it gives you a clean start. After clearing the cache and cookies, restart your browser and go back to ChatGPT. Sign in again, then try opening the page or chat one more time. In many cases, that final step is enough to remove the error completely. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, open ChatGPT from the home page, confirm you're on the right account, log out and log in again, start a new chat if needed, and clear your cache and cookies if the issue still continues. Those are the most reliable ways to fix ChatGPT error 404. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.